Hello guys, I got here 2006 Honda Civic. The vehicle turned with crank, no start. So when I working on it, I tried to crank the engine, and I heard cranking sound good compression, and also I found the engine tried to start, but it doesn't. As you can see, I had a hard time to find out the fuel system, a fuel control, fuel pump control circuit, relay, something like that, and I found all good from here. Even when I jump direct to let the power fuel pump running, bypass the relay and cranking, it's still the same problem, and all the circuit, power, ground, everything good there. And as you can see right here on the jump cable right here, guys, on the jump wire here, that the starter relay, I already moved it here because I want to crank the engine from under the hood to check for the spark to see what's going on. Okay guys, from here, like the cable I bypass on the starter relay. As you can see on my tool here, I can crank the engine on this tool, and as you can see, for check for the spark on each coil, and I got, after check for about 2 coil, even 3, I got the good spark. Well, no reason to check for the last one, because if you have the last 1 coil there, 3 coil here is working, the engine can able to start with the running mid-fire. Okay, and finally, very hard time to check for the fuel pressure in here. Like earlier I said, when I crank the engine, I try the engine to start, but it doesn't start. What that mean we have fuel injector control, we have spark on the coil, but if it doesn't start, may we have the weak spark, or we may have a low fuel pressure. It also try to start, but it doesn't. Finally, when I take the spark plug here, guys, as you can see on the spark plug, we have fuel on it. All the spark plug wet with fuel. What that mean we have the fuel go to the cylinder, but somehow it doesn't start. Maybe low fuel pressure, maybe it's not good spark, and the engine won't start. So finally, I have some old spark plug, but still good condition. I keep it for my tool when I working on car. So I put it in, the vehicle start right up, and call the customer, call the vehicle owner, and tell the owner, okay, you need all the spark plug, because maybe 3 of them already died, just maybe only 1 still work. That's why the engine try to start, or maybe 4 of them it's like not good spark at all. Like which spark, that means the engine won't start. And the vehicle owner told me, okay, these spark plugs, as you can see, NGK or radium, it seems to be good spark plug, maybe expensive, I don't know. And but anyway, he told me the spark plug he just replaced about 3 months ago, but somehow now all of them gone, the engine won't start. Let me go there on the tool. As you can see, back in the vehicle, you can see the key still on. Okay, yep, the key still on, and I don't need to start my key because the starter relay removed. Now I can start the engine from here. As you guys can see, the engine start right away. See? Yep, we have the engine running right now, guys. You can see the engine running good. Okay, anyway, seems like everything can be happen on the world. As you see, the spark plug only 3 months old and now it's gone. If you have the vehicle won't start like this, and then you can try to check for the spark on the ignition coil, check for the fuel. It's difficult to check the fuel pressure on Honda here because there's no tap port at all. And then you see, look on the spark plug, we have the fuel. That means we just try. I didn't know the spark plug is no good, but I just tried to put a set of the spark plug in, but it start right up. Okay, that's it guys. If you have the vehicle same problem, maybe same spark plug problem on like this vehicle. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye bye.